Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, we will continue to explore the comprehensive application of light and shadow decomposition. Here is my decomposition idea. Projection of the door on the ground. Connect the top of the rod and the point of light extinction, and the bottom of the rod and the point of shadow extinction to obtain the projection A at the bottom of the rod. Its intersection with the wall will go up and become a parallel rod, then draw a straight line, and the intersection will be on the line connecting the top of the rod and the point of light extinction, and intersect with the perpendicular line. Consider the position of the barrier as another point B on the rod, and connect the point of light extinction to the other end of the point C. The intersection of the 2 points D can roughly determine the range of the first barrier. The door panel has a disappearing point E to the left, mainly to find the projection position on the ground. Connect EF, because when it reaches the ground, the projection of the parallel rod is equivalent to the G line on the ground, it will disappear, so there is an intersection at this position. Then connect FG. How to determine the projection position of the last barrier? Connect H and the point of light extinction. It has a shadow on the ground, then connect the disappearing point and the intersection point I, and then connect the door panel J. Finally, the shadow is as shown in the figure. Wall projection. Treat the edge of the door latch as a vertical rod, and its projection A is connected to the point of shadow extinction, forming an intersection point B on the wall, and then draw a perpendicular line from B to obtain point C. Connect the top D of the upright rod to the point of light extinction, it will have an intersection point E with the perpendicular line on the wall, and then connect the top point F of the door to know the projection of the lintel on the wall. The projection is shown in the figure. Projection of the clothesline pole. Draw the perpendicular line AB, which is equivalent to a vertically imaginary pole. Connect the vertical rod B to the right to restore the clothesline pole to a plane. Extend the perpendicular line of the sheet to find the bottom of the rod D, and its projection line can be connected to the point of shadow extinction. The length of the projection can be obtained by connecting the top of the rod F and the point of light extinction to obtain an intersection point G, and then connect C and the point of light extinction. Then, according to the logic of the perspective line, extend the point H to the right. In this way, the projection of the sheet can be found. The projection of the top point F of the rod starts from the intersection point I, and connects A and I, and the projection of the clothesline pole is obtained. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like my channel, please remember to subscribe, like, and share, which will be the biggest encouragement and support for me. See you in the next video.